Learn how to release tightness and stiffness of the shoulders by using a yoga strap. Taking the ends of the yoga strap to wrap around the palms, keeping the length a little wider than shoulder distance. Make sure the belt is straight, elbows are straight, and taking your arms up for a full extension, exhale and bring it down. Inhale, open, full extension, exhale out. Doing this a minimum of 5 to 10 times. Going wider this time with the length and taking the belt and hands halfway back. Exhale and out. Inhale, going halfway back till the upper back. Exhale. Working on the range of motion and shoulder mobility here. Next, we shorten the length of the belt once again, keeping it just a little wider than the shoulder distance. Move side and side. Keep your movement sideways, allowing a nice stretch and extension to the sides of the body as well as the shoulders. Keeping your gaze fixed upward, you can even hold onto one side. Next, doing the Gomukhasana with the strap. Since most of us face difficulty in meeting the palms at the back, this is a good way to reduce and cover the distance between two hands in Gomukhasana. Stay there for a minimum of 20 to 30 seconds. Next, repeat on the other side. Try to walk your palms onto the belt as and when you feel comfortable to reduce and cover the distance. Try and hold the pose for a minimum of 20 to 30 seconds. Exhale and slowly release.